how to install a tailgate cable for a GMC truck. This fits many models, so please refer to our listing for more details. You'll need a 14mm socket and ratchet. Open the tailgate and remove the cables by simply pulling up and out. Use the ratchet to unbolt the cable from the latch. Now we'll attach the new cable onto the gate, remembering that the cable needs to be connected to the side closest to the hinges. Now hook the new cable onto the truck by gently pressing it on. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. Brock Supply, your advantage in automotive.